Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Fortnite account. To delete your Fortnite account, you'll need to delete your Epic Games account. So in order to do that, follow the steps. Open your web browser and then go to the URL box and type in epicgames.com/store and press enter on your keyboard. Also make sure that you are logged into your epicgames.com account by entering your credentials. Once you're logged in, mouse over to your profile icon or your name at the top right hand corner, which will open up an expanded menu. Click the account button in the menu, and once you end up in the account settings page, scroll all the way down and click on the request account delete button. In the pop-up, make sure that you want to delete your account. So click on delete account once again and then enter the security code that has been sent to your email address associated with this account. Open up a new tab and log into your email inbox associated with Epic Games. Open up the email received from Epic Games from your inbox and click open this Epic Games inbox one more time. You'll then receive a code sent to you. Copy the code and get back to the epicgames.com website and enter the code in the text box. Now click confirm account deletion. Select one of the reasons why you want to delete your account from the menu and click continue. You can also skip this step if you don't want to go through this. Simply click on skip this to jump on to the next step and you have successfully deactivated or deleted your account. If you log in within the 14 days starting today, you'll be able to reactivate your account back again. If you don't log in within the 14 days period, your account will be deleted permanently. That was how you can easily delete your Fortnite account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.